Hi guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my Doc Profits review. So, Doc Profit review is just an website. Just you need to upload your documents, any documents, and they'll pay you $29 instantly. So this is how the profits work. So you just need to upload an web document, and for uploading a single document they are going to pay you $29 over and over and over. So this is how the sales page looks like, doc profits. So this is an first uploading files uploading online. Hmm. So this is a secret website that pays you $29 over and over for uploading a documents. So you just need to upload a document and they'll pay you $29. For every document, you'll get $29. So this is how the sales page looks like, Docu Profits. So they'll pay you around $29. Then just you just need to upload, and you upload and they'll in a single click and you're done. So no need traffic, and it's a that's simple. No experience required, no extra expenses involved. So no selling, and they are also giving a 30-day money back guarantee. So for first 150 buyers also, Doco Profits VIP triple your income Deluxe edition. Value of this is $497. It's going to be free for you for just for first 150 buyers only. So I have attached the sales page link in the description box. So just I'll go through this sales page. So once you upload your document or something, they'll give you $29 for every document. So the best part is you don't need to write a single uh, document, and just you need to download any document and just upload it in a single click. So you are going to get this in three ways. Step one, just access. You just need to click on any of the button on this page to create your Docker Profiles account. Just click on to purchase any of these buttons to buy Docker Profits. Then download documents given to you, and you just need to upload the documents and get paid $29 over and over. So they have attached some proofs. So Natalie B, she's a single mom. The proof of her on 7th November 2021, she collected $232. Then Jason H, printer, he's a printer, and he worked for 2 hours, and he made around $80.87. So Philip J Cashier, he made around 600 and not $7. You just need to buy the Docu Profit just in the website link, or you can buy the product through my sales page, bonus page. So I have attached the bonus link in the description box. So this is how the bonus page looks like. Let's see through the sales page, and then we'll come back to the bonus pages. So I mean, it's just a single three-step process. You just need to purchase the product, then you need to upload download the document given to you, then you just need to upload the document and you will get $29 instantly. So it's no skill required, no traffic required, and it's I mean the time also consumes very less, and it comes in three simple easy steps. So the vendor started making money online the very first day. So first day profit, the second day profit, the third day profit, and the fourth day profit, fifth day profit. So you can live a full life with this. And see, they have proof of the credit for everybody who has logged in. Alright, if you upload 5 documents, you are going to get paid $149. 10, then going to give you $290. 25 documents, then they'll give you $725, and 50 documents, they'll give you $1,450. So it's a single click easy method and zero experience is required. So you need to no need to spend anything extra, you just need to purchase, and it comes in a 3 single steps. So first, access or purchase the product, then download the document given to you, then upload the document. So it's easy, and so rinse and repeat step, so you can live your life free, like travel the world, ditch your 9 to 5 jobs, treat your family right, live a debt free, enjoy time freedom, obtain peace of mind. So like I said, it's the more you upload, the more you get $229. Then zero traffic is required, no selling, just get paid. They are also giving you a 30-day money back guarantee. That simple, no experience required. Then literally one click, easy, just hit upload on your turn. Absolutely no extra expenses involved. So you just need to purchase the product, and this is how the bonus page looks like. So if once you click on the bonus page, this is how the bonus page look like. So like I said, it's a 3-step process: access, download, and upload. So I have attached the demo video link in the description, bonus page. You just need to watch this in the bonus page. You can watch this in the bonus page, or you can also watch it on the website. So the prices comes in Doco provides membership. The value of this is $19. The downsell price is $17. You'll get continuously $29 every time you upload the document. Earn as high as $395 per sale through their deep converting funnel. So it's a proven method. So the OTO 1 comes with unlimited. The value of this is $47. The downsell price is $37. So you'll all remove all the elements in the funnel front end. So you can create unlimited money making documents, put documents on steroids, GitHub grade to their ultra fast docu profit server. Then they are also giving you 24/7 support. So the OTO 2 is done for you. Value of this is dollar. It's $297, and the downsell price is $197. So you can enjoy your done for your templates to get a full Docker Profits business suite. So it's a complete setup and general fine tune. So there with over 200 plus done for your Docker Profits template suits to choose from you, no technical skills required. So the OTO 3 comes with Docker Profit Supercharged. The value of this is $127. Downsell price is $67. So it's 3 more secret sites to upload your special documents to 3x your income. So you can purchase the product by clicking on any of this brown buttons. This is the bonus page. You can buy the product from my bonus page also. You just need to click on this brown button, then you can purchase from the website link also. So the OTO 4 is reseller license. So it's a reseller. The YF is $297. The downsell price is $97. So done for years software businesses leverage of 7-figure of top-notch designer, of copywriters and developers. So they'll keep 100% profit, no technical skill needed. So video tutorials are also included. So the OTO 5 comes with massive income masterclass value was $47. The downside price is $27. So it consists of skills to generate passive high hands-free income through their specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. So the OTO 6 is the multiple streams of income masterclass. This is still quiz members with skills to create multiple streams of income through their special 7 selected multiple streams of income. So these are the OTOs they have. So the bonuses you're going to get, so no expenses required, they are not going to charge you any extra payment. So it's a fail proof system, so you can't mess with any of the documents, any of this up. So all they have to do is upload the documents that built for you beginners. So it's not an issue with Docker profile. So you'll get a lot of, it's a beginner friendly, so no computer needed. You can do it on a mobile or something, anything. Then the Profit Anywhere is not only is in USA, it's all, I mean, it's all over the world. So everything you need is inside the Docker Profits. So the Docker Profits contain a brand new system. You can use it in Mac, Windows, or any device of your own choice. So it's a one-click monetization. Like I said, just you need to download and upload the document, and you'll get paid $229 for every upload. So it contains a detailed video training. They have the video from scratch. You can watch it from the scratch. So they have a free support. So they are having 24/7. So with the technical support, you can, they'll support you anytime. So they are also going to give you, these are the vendor bonuses. The bonus one is $1,493 a day jump start, and bonus 2 is $0 to $500 a day in 30 days. Bonus 3 is $486.23 per day. Bonus 4 is 30-day list count exposure income. The bonus 5 is 60-day seconds funnel profits mastery. You're not only going to get the vendor bonuses, also you're also going to get my customized bonuses. You're going to get bonus 1 Amazon store builder, bonus 2 is clickable image, bonus 3 is Gramshoe, bonus 4 is lead book generator, bonus 5 is lead fusion elite, bonus 6 is sales page recycler, bonus 7 is FB viral tube turbo machine, bonus 8 is Twitter traffic content, bonus 9 is warrior plus sales exposure, bonus 10 is VP email timer plus. So bonus 11 is VP slideshow master, bonus 12 is VP shift page, bonus 13 is conversion equalizer. So all of these above bonuses will be instantly available inside of your account freely. So you need to click on this brown buttons, many of this brown buttons on the bonus page, and you will directly cater to your sales page. So they are also giving you 30-day money back guarantee. So you are going to get all of this, everything. So it's a single 3-step process. With just you need to access, you just need to download and upload the video. So this is an sure for thing bonus, profit giving website. So you can go for it without any doubt. So for all of these bonuses, you just need to purchase from my link, and you can purchase from the sales website link also, and you can buy it from the bonus page also. So all of these bonuses will be instantly available in your account with the vendor bonuses. So grab all of my bonuses. So thank you, see you in the next video.